Welcome to our tutorial on how to send multiple photos with text on a Telegram group using your PC. In this new update, Telegram has made sharing images and messages even easier. Let's walk through the steps together. Step 1. Begin by opening WhatsApp Web on your PC. This will allow you to access your Telegram account from your computer. Step 2. Once WhatsApp Web is open, navigate to the group where you want to share multiple photos with text. Step 3. Look for the attachment icon within the chat window and select Photos and Videos from the options. Step 4. Choose the photos you wish to share by clicking on them and then selecting Open to add them to your message. Step 5. In the caption bar, type the text you want to accompany the photos. This can be a description, comment, or any message you want to convey. Step 6. Finally, click on the Send button to share the photos along with your text in the Telegram group. And there you have it. Sending multiple photos with text on a Telegram group using your PC is quick and simple with this new update. Give it a try and enhance your group conversations with ease.